Okay, here we're going to determine if the two words have the same vowel sound. So I'm going to read them to you and I want you to decide, and then I'll tell you whether they do or they do not. So the first two are back and bark. Do you think they have the same vowel sound, yes or no? These two do not. No, they don't. Short A sound. R is the other vowel sound from our unit for this week. Okay, make and mark. Make a long A sound and mark. R. No, they do not. Make and mark do not. Make has a long A sound and mark is R. These two are cart and cat. These two do not. Cart is R and cat is a short A sound, like an apple. The next two are star and stay. And these do not. Stay has a long A sound. Star is like R. So no, they do not. This is yarn and yard. Yes, they do. They both go yarn and yard. So yes, they have the same vowel sound. Okay, let's look at this. These were switching out the vowel sounds. So this is farm, R, and we're just going to make a long A to create the word fame. So we're going F, A, M, E. Remember that E on the end makes the A in the middle say its name, fame. This is had with the short A sound, ah. We're going to change that to R, hard, hard. This is state, long A sound, A. We're going to change that to R, and we're going to create the word start. S T A R T. Start. Okay. This is part, taking out the R and adding a short A, makes a word at. This next word is shark, R, take away that R, make a long A sound, ache, shake. This is park, we're taking out the R and putting a short A, ack. You may think it's just a K. This is a tricky one where it's a CK ending.